Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. The Odisha government has decided to construct 13 barrages and in-stream storage structures on different rivers for the preservation of river water. A decision to this effect was taken on Friday after a meeting was conducted among officials of IDCO, IPICOL and the Odisha Water Resources Department through video conferencing. The Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology in Burla in Sambalpur district has been closed for 4 days starting Saturday. This decision has been taken as two professors of the educational institution have tested positive for COVID-19. One of the teachers is from the electrical engineering department while the other is from civil engineering. According to a source, a toddler from Tikarpada village under Khunta police limits had complained of stomachache on Wednesday. The mother of the child consulted her brother who took her permission and branded the child with hot iron on her stomach. Far from being cured, the toddler's health condition deteriorated further and the parents had to admit the child to Udala Government Hospital. In view of the rising COVID-19 cases in the district, the Jharsuguda Chamber of Commerce has decided that industrial and business organizations will observe a week-long shutdown in Brajrajnagar, Belpahar and this town. However, the decision to observe the shutdown will be voluntary. The chamber has requested all its members to close down their units for 7 days. In a joint operation, drug inspectors from Sambalpur and Bargarh and a police team busted a fake COVID-19 vaccine manufacturing unit at Rushada village under the Bhedan police station in Bargarh on Saturday. The team seized large quantity of fake COVID-19 vaccines, packets, powder and chemical materials from the unit which was run by one Prahlad Bishi. BJP President JP Nadda announced on Saturday a new team of party's national office bearers which has an element of continuity as well as change. The list of 8 general secretaries, crucial organization position in the party as they are the link between state and central leadership, has 5 new faces with Bhupendra Yadav, Arun Singh, Kailash Vijayvargiya being retained. The Bombay High Court observed Saturday that prostitution was not a criminal offence under the law. It said that an adult woman had the right to choose her vocation. Hence, the Bombay High Court ordered immediate release of 3 women sex workers. All the 3 have been detained at a state corrective institution in Mumbai. That's all for today's bulletin. You were watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to our channel.